Let me out of here, I'm starving. Whoa, who said that? Was it one of my Hairdorables, the new Scented Series? They want to eat all of this yummy food. And guess what? I have the new Totally Tiny Lunchbox Surprises. I found these on eBay. I grabbed them. Let's open them. I want to thank Just Play for gifting us the Scented Series. I got one at New York Toy Fair and another one they had mailed to us. So thank you so much. I'm going to open up these adorable Hairdorables right now. I'm so excited. I love Hairdorables. So let's get started. I'm also going to unbox one of these Totally Tiny Lunchbox Surprises. You can follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and on YouTube to watch more of these unboxings. These are brand new. They are so adorable. I already opened up one on TikTok and on Instagram. They are just super cute. So let's open up this one first. What's really cool about this series too is that you get 11 surprises inside, and it's not your typical like open the door to reveal. This time it just comes in like blind bags, and the carrying case is also a play set. How cool is that? And you still get a stand, just like in series 2, which I totally love. So let's just cut to the chase and open up this doll. I hope I get Neela or one of the new ones. Let's see. OMG! I do have a new one for me. I'm not sure if she is a new doll, but she does look kind of new. She has crimped hair. She's really, really, really super pretty. Let's take a look and see who we got. I wonder if she is a new one. Looks different. She kind of reminds me of Sally, but I already have Sally for series 3. I think there's 2 of each variation. So we're going to find out now who it is. And it is Sally! Oh boy. So this one is so stinking cute though. It has polka dots here and pom-poms on the bottom. These outfits are so adorable. And you know what? This is like her signature hair color. She has like this blue and white swirl of hair, and I just love the crimping. Super awesome. Bottle of something yummy. Here's a sticker, and we have another accessory. Aw, here is, it looks like Sally, a sticker of her, and we have our own little purse. How cute! It is a banana handbag.
Sally smells like bananas too. How cute is this doll? I love the Scented series so much.
Check out her background, and here's our checklist. Awesome. So it looks like we have Hairdorables and they're at school, or maybe they're at a carnival, I think. It's like a psychic booth, and it looks like they're raising money for something. All right, let's check out this poster, and everybody's screaming in the background. I'm so sorry, I can't get away from my family. I am locked down with them. So there's different variations. So this is the Carnival Cuties one. So we have Sally's Gone Bananas. I think my kids have gone bananas too. So we have Carnival Cuties, that's a yummy treat scent. Then there's another section of Garden Party. That's the fresh flower scent. And, oh, I think I got watercolor Sally. And then this is Splash Sensation. I don't have anyone from that one. So I really hope to get one of the 3 new ones. There's featuring Phoebe. She looks like she's like a film major. And we have Garden Sage and So Extra Emily. I think I would call myself extra. We need a Hairdorable named Tiffany. Can we do that? Guys, thank you. All right, let's see what we got in the next one, and then we'll open up a new Totally Tiny Lunchbox Surprise. Hopefully we get something that one of our girls can eat. And of course, you gotta use your pizza plate, like the table that you get from pizza. I love saving these things because these are awesome like end tables for your dolls. I've been doing it since I'm a kid, and now IKEA has made them in real life. So I wish I had done that. I'd probably be a millionaire. Okay, let's open up the next one. Can't wait to see who's inside. Everything's falling down. Okay, let's see who's in this one. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a new one. Oh, it's a new one. It's a new one. Woohoo. I think I have this doll. We have the Garden Party one, and it is Roses Are Bella. So we got Bella. Let's see who we got. All right, it is Bella. Woohoo. And look, I love the way they wrote it too. Super pretty. And she has these adorable little shoes. Okay. Oh, cool. We have a sticker that says Big Hair Don't Care. I love it. And then we have, it looks like we have, I think these are bottles of shampoo. It says La Fleur. So she loves using flower shampoo. Yeah, it is shampoo. Look, there's a little nozzle there. That's really adorable. Accessory here. We have our stand. And oh my goodness, look at this. We have a fan and it's a little barrette. So your Hairdorables can wear it, or even your child could wear it. This is really cute. And her hair. Oh, she smells like flowers. Like she smells like perfume. We have another sticker of Bella. We have a beautiful teapot and a teacup. This is so cute. And look, we could even play with it with our totally tiny sets. How cute is that? We have these little stickers. Look at that. You could even do like an outfit change. So stinking cute. If you check out my last video, you'll probably see that it was different. I think it had like a C in it. And look, C05. Okay, I'm gonna open up one. So this is the one that we got last time. There, the compound is inside the ooze, and it keeps it nice and fresh. So it was an omelet along with some hot sauce. That's the way I like to eat my eggs. So I opened up a blue one the other day, so now I'm gonna open up a yellow one. And this is this letter, E05. I'm not sure what is what, but I think it's actually the bottom 3 digits, or 3, like that's definitely has to be like a code or something. I don't know, I could be wrong. Okay, so let's open up the lunchbox surprise and like see what's inside.
I got these off of eBay, and the person I bought them from, she said that they're actually available at Myers right now. So they are by Just Play. Just Play is in all US retailers like Target, Walmart. But since these are really, really brand new, if you happen to go into Myers for like an essentials run, you might be able to find these in time for Easter. They are perfect Easter basket stuffers.
So here we go. Here is, ooh, it looks like we got a sandwich of some kind. This is new. Wow, what is that? Is that marshmallows? Are you kidding me? This is so cute. I think we did get marshmallows. Look, it's a little s'more on a graham cracker. And we got the ooze. And here's our checklist. Let's check out the collector's guide and see what we got exactly. I think we got a bag of marshmallows. How cute is that? There it is. It's the s'more set. So you get a s'more and you get marshmallows. And there's the omelet that we got. You can get one of these. There's like a sushi set, milkshake set, crepe set, peanut butter, all these different sets. And you could use these mystery oozes to enhance the play. That is super duper cute. I don't think you open this though. I don't want to. I think it's so cute and tiny in that little bag. That is super duper cute. Ooh, we got this pretty pink rose slime. I think Bella would like that. This is gorgeous. This is like the color slime that I had for our pizza set. Oh, it's perfect. That is so great. So you could put this in there, squish it around. My son keeps asking for brownie muffins. And look at that. So awesome. I don't want to open this. This is just too tiny and too cute. Is there like an opening that I can get in there? No. I'm not doing it. I'm sorry. It's so adorable. I just love that it has its own little plastic bag. We could just do that. Here we go. Let's open up another one for old time's sake. I just love these so much. I can't get enough of them. Okay, so I opened up a blue one, a yellow one, and now I'm going to open up this pink one. This is the last one. This video is like 100 hours long, and my son is freaking out. So this is an L04. So cute. What do we get? Ooh, it's another one. And this looks like, oh, it looks like the stuff that you get from like Great Adventure. Oh my gosh, I'm drawing a blank. I don't remember. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? How cute is this? I can't take it. OMG. Oh my gosh, it is funnel cake. That's what it's called. So it's a funnel cake set, and it comes with, looks like, I guess it's a soda or chocolate milkshake or something. I don't really know. That is so cool. This is so cute. I love getting funnel cake. My husband and I, before we got married, oh my gosh, every weekend we'd be at Great Adventure. We were dating, and that's all we'd eat. We wouldn't eat all day. Oh, we got the orange one. So we wouldn't eat all day. We'd ride all the rides. You know, we just drink water or whatever because we don't drink soda or whatever. or we don't drink soda rather, and we would just drink water all day and just ride the rides all day, and at the end of the night, we would eat like kings. We would just eat garbage, just ice cream cones and funnel cakes, and just come home just like covered in funnel cakes. So crazy. Not like anybody cares, but I love Totally Tiny so much. So awesome. I think you guys get the idea. Maybe if we do this. Oh my gosh, I got an idea. This. Oh, yes. Yes. Oh, cool. Oh no. Our 2-year-old acts like a newborn baby. He throws the most epic temper tantrums. It's unreal. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to wrap it up. What do you guys think of new Totally Tiny and the new Hairdorable Scented Series? Let me know in the comments below. I want to thank Just Play for sending us these adorable Hairdorable dolls. And guys, you can find these in stores now. Totally Tiny Lunchbox Surprise. Look for them in stores when you're going out for your essentials food run. These are so cute. When you're picking up real food, pick up tiny food also. It's a lot of fun, make you happy, and pass the time, and get the kids ready, happy too. Don't forget to store everything inside, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to me. Okay, thank you, bye!